Good morning, everyone. So Tilly and I are going to show you how to make the Skinnymixers butter chicken. That's for the Thermomix. We're going to do the slow cooker method. So all I've done is I've put 2 whole onions and I've quartered them and put them in the bottom of the slow cooker. And I've put 4 whole chicken breasts in on top of the onions. Often, if I don't have coconut cream, I'll just use coconut milk. I'm just going to pour the whole tin in. Run away. Microwave some rice and toast the naan bread on the stove, and that's a yummy dinner. So easy. It literally took me, well, you saw, like 5 minutes.